Mobile mechanic service. Client had the battery replaced, and then he ended up noticing that a couple of days later the vehicle acted like it didn't want to start. So after asking him a bunch of questions, playing detective, mechanic, psychologist, all these things that we have to play as mobile mechanics, I started doing my diagnostic testing, and sure enough, on this side it was grounded out. It wasn't receiving power. Every other side of the fuse was receiving power. This here runs over to this fuse box and was causing it not to start. So I guess whenever they replaced the battery, they probably used an impact to tighten this down, and they broke it. Whenever you're installing these, make sure that you do not use an impact to install. If you use an impact to install, you will break them, and then you're going to have to be replacing this for a customer. See, in this situation, I guess the shop, whoever did it, broke it, and they didn't let them know, and they kind of rigged it up to where it would work a little while, and now he's suffering from that. So, you know, we're going to get him taken care of and get him back on the road.